scary. Still scary. Oh yeah, baby. All right. It's one of those days, you know the ones, not fun, but maybe I can turn it around. Maybe I can do something fun. Yeah, we'll see. I really want to, take the body off, right? So all that's really left to do is to pull the rear and front, or I'm looking in the wrong directions, but all that's left is the glass, and then packing up the glass so I don't break it because I'm not getting more, and then drilling out all the rivets for the body and disconnecting all the seam sealer. But you know what? Let's just focus on getting the glass out today. I think that's going to be a challenge on its own because I don't know how to take it out. I'll figure out though. So if I take those two out, I should have, I should be able to remove the window and then have more leverage to get this piece of chrome out with the right socket. Oh, I forgot these have bolts too. Maybe that's why I was trying to do that one first. I don't remember. Alright, there's one down. And that's all of the window hardware done. Okay, sweet. There we go. It has been removed. Oh yeah. What was I doing cutting it? This is so much better. Oh. But there's a problem. This one's way more stuck in there than the last one was. Oh. Really scaring me. There we go. That wasn't so bad. Still curious how I'm gonna deal with cleaning these windows. But you know what? That's not a problem for right now. This side's free to move, but this side's hung up on something. What are you possibly hung up on? There we go. I forgot there's a little lip on this, obviously, because it sandwiches the glass, so whatever. You know what? Good enough. Good enough. This is the part I'm not looking forward to. A, because I already tried to put the gas struts in here and it didn't work. And B, it's heavy. And also the neighbors won't shut up. So, you know, yay. Alright, but it's the same as last time. There's one bolt here, one bolt there, and this whole thing should lift off. However, I'm not going to put it away like that. I'm also going to remove, what do you call that? I don't know, but it's coming off, so yay. Now, if only I could find the stick. I found the stick. These are the 2 bolts, or screws, that need to be removed. After that, this entire thing will pop out, and then I will remove the hardware that makes the window. So, let's get on that. Now to just find an appropriately sized screwdriver. I forgot how much I hated doing this. Here's one. Oh, freedom. Why was that so much easier the second time? Like, jeez. Luckily, these are just held in by nothing, really. There's some little rubber press fit gasket. These are gaskets, right? Yeah, these are gaskets. Little rubber gaskets that these are enough of an interference fit to that they just hold it in place. Although I gotta find the other tiny gasket for the actual triangle piece. This needs to be replaced. Gross little thing, but whatever. This needs to come off, I think. At least for storage sake. I don't want this thing in there. Oh, are you kidding me? It just unscrews like that? And I know this will come off with some effort, but effort. I'm not doing any effort. Although this one's a lot cooler than the one under the trunk, because the one under the trunk didn't have a slot ground in it. And I assume that's a factory, so I guess they had 2 patterns. And the one on the... Did I say trunk? The one on the front doesn't have this, my point is. So that's neat that there's 2 patterns. I wonder if they're original or not. I don't know. But now I gotta clean this thing up, because it's gross. No, it's not that heavy. This is gonna be the hardest one of them all because it's a windshield. It's still stuck in here. I do have one saving grace though. I'm just gonna cut the seal out because it's already falling off in chunks. I can't save it, so what? However, unlike the other ones, I will clean this one beforehand because I feel like with its curvature, it's going to be really hard to handle. I cleaned the inside at one point, so I'll probably just leave it at that. I lied. I'm not gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna get the damn spiders off my car. Out! My car. God damn it. Go away. Go away. My car. Fine. God, I hate these things. Alright, time to pry the windshield out of this thing. One chunk of disgusting rubber at a time. Okay. This is going to be a lot harder than I thought it would. Now, I am well aware that these actually can come out non-destructively, but this one's so damaged, like, what are you gonna do? Alright, the windshield is officially free. As you can see, this wasn't good rubber, so there's really no harm in cutting it out. Now, I just have to prepare the little palette of, you know. And trust me, this will make way more sense when I'm done. I think. I'm making this up as I go along, I'm not entirely sure. Oh, okay, still scary. Still scary. Oh yeah, baby. All right. More foam. And this, it looked so big on the car. That is such a tiny windshield. Still really heavy though, but I still need to finish packing it up. Because I want, you know, that thing breaks, I'm gonna have to oof off the roof. I think there's a company that will make these. I think there's a few places you can get new ones. You know, you can always get old ones, but that's a hit and miss. I think they're in like the UK or something. They only make batches of like 10 or whatever. Or maybe I'm thinking of clutches for 9.3s. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm insane. There's actually one thing I want to do before I call it quits for the night. And that's something I've wanted to do since I've had this, you know, idea. Alright. Oh, this one's on there tough, huh? There we go. Bye-bye. Oh, crap. Come on. Awesome. Gosh, I should not have tossed that on there. You can really see how just shredded this rubber is. Yeah, no remorse chopping it up. I mean, although this doesn't inspire confidence. Shadows. What is this even riveted to then? Yeah, I feel like that's supposed to be attached to something. This, sorry, excuse for a dashboard. Whatever, I will investigate further in the morning. But it's funny to not have a windshield anymore.